Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add a storage account in Outlook.com. Open your web browser. Go to Outlook page. Log into your account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Select View All Outlook Settings. Go to Mail and choose Attachments. Click on the storage account you want to add. For example, Dropbox. Log into your account in the new window. Click on Allow. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!